Hello everyone, guys. Today I'll show you how to tie up a dog like this. But before starting the video, please like, subscribe to my channel and leave comments. I will be very pleased. Today I will show you how to tie up such a cute dog. His hind legs are like knee socks, so it turned out with melange yarn. Well, the front ones are like this. However, the dog stands and does not fall. That's his body and ears. I don't even know who it is. This breed of dog is not known to me. If you know what kind of breed it is, write in the comments. I think it's a sheepdog, and you? What do you think? Well, let's start knitting. For example, from the tail. Why not? I want to start crocheting with a ponytail dog. I'm making 6 ear loops. But I have 6 loops, because it's not big. And you can do more. But I'm going to make 7 loops right now. And who's going to stop me? And you can make at least 10 loops, depending on what size dog will you have. Then I close the ring and we need to knit without increment and without subtraction in each loop one at a time to the end of the row. Well, so knit until this pipe comes out. As for the tails, it doesn't matter where the beginning of the row is, it doesn't matter. Well, look, guys, I was knitting paws, and here is the end of the row, but I started knitting the body from the stomach. Here you can see such a colored belly. And then gradually it began to decrease here, and already the body began to look like a dog. I knitted my ears like this, one in the first loop, and here in 2, and then added. And I got these kind of ears. And I knitted my muzzle like a ponytail. Here is such a dog amigurumi and such a one, if anyone liked it, a bunny amigurumi too, they formed such a couple. The dog and the bunny like them. Well, all the guys. That's it, put likes, subscribe to my channel and write comments. See you.